Meaning of doorkeeper.
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 Doorkeeper. A doorkeeper is a person who is responsible for controlling access to a building, room, or area and ensuring that only authorized individuals are permitted entry. They may also monitor the comings and goings of guests or visitors, and provide assistance when needed. Essentially, doorkeepers act as the first point of contact between a location and those seeking entry. Their primary role is to maintain security and safety within a specific space by enforcing rules and regulations and monitoring all activity.